Printing stamps and QR codes in HP SmartStream using HP PageWide XL Pro printer series. Click the stamp option to select a text and/or graphic stamp or watermark to be placed over the contents of the page. You can assign the same stamp to all the pages of a job or choose unique stamps for pages. TIFF, PNG, and JPEG files can be imported to provide a graphic stamp. The stamp can consist of a maximum of 5 layers. You can add a layer by clicking and Add New Layer. You can specify the position of the stamp, angle, opacity, and offset. Once you've created a stamp design as a template, you can export it. Templates are automatically saved in the My Documents HP SmartStream Stamps folder with the SMST extension. You can open a stamp design saved in a template file. All stamp fields are filled with data from the template, or they'll be empty in the corresponding fields if the template has been left empty. The stamp can be seen in the page preview. If you select the Move tool, each layer of the stamp is indicated with a red rectangle. You can resize it by dragging one of the corners of the red rectangle, and the aspect ratio will be preserved. You can also reposition the stamp by dragging it to any of the positions in the predefined stamp grid. If you double-click a stamp layer, the layer is opened in the Stamp dialog box. After editing, if needed, you can insert it in all other pages on the job. As a new function, a QR code can be created and linked to a website. This is done by clicking on the 4-dot New QR Stamp icon. At this point, you can give the QR code a name associated with the job you're printing. You can add a web page or text, which the QR links will show or link to. By clicking the Generate button, you can see the QR code, and it will also appear on the job window to the right of the stamp layer. You can position the QR code around the job screen using the red rectangle. Then click Save, and the QR code has been successfully created. By following these instructions, you can create and add stamps and QR codes to your printed pages.